Welcome to this FX Empire review of Tickmill, a broker which was founded in 2014 and is regulated by the UK Financial Conduct Authority, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, and the Seychelles Financial Services Authority. Tickmill provides users with the ability to trade on more than 80 different CFD instruments covering Forex, Indices, Commodities and Bonds through three core trading accounts called the Pro account, Classic account and VIP account. They also offer demo trading accounts and Islamic swap-free accounts. As we can see here from the Tickmill Group Licenses and Regulation page, if we scroll down, the group is regulated by the Seychelles Financial Services Authority, which is confirmed by looking at the Seychelles register, and we can actually see here Tickmill Limited. The broker is also regulated by the UK Financial Conduct Authority, as we can see here on the FCA register, Tickmill UK Limited, and the broker is also registered with the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Tickmill provides access to three different types of trading accounts called the Pro account, Classic account and VIP account. As we can see here, the minimum deposit for the Pro account and Classic account is 100 US dollars, euros or British pounds, and the Pro account has spreads starting from 0 pips with commissions of 2 per side per 100,000 traded, and the Classic account has spreads from 1.6 pips with 0 commissions. As you can see here as well, they also offer swap-free Islamic account options for all three account types. As we can see on the broker's webpage under trading, it provides information such as the accounts overview, which we've just looked at, as well as the different trading conditions such as spreads, swaps, leverage, and deposit withdrawal options, as well as information on different trading instruments available to trade with via the broker, such as Forex, Indices in oil, precious metals, and bonds. If we go on the Forex page, for example, it gives us a little bit of information about the Forex market, why you should trade Forex with Tickmill, and you can see here at the bottom as well, it provides some minimum and typical spread information, as well as swap information for the different currencies available to trade with. However, it's under the spreads and swaps page where you can actually see how many markets are available to trade via Tickmill. As we can see here, a wide list of different currency markets available to trade with, including all the majors and exotic markets as well. And if we scroll through, you can actually see there's 7 different pages here available of different currencies to trade. There's also stock indices and oil markets with all the popular stock exchanges and indices available to trade on. There's also metals as well, gold and silver, and bonds. Tickmill also provides some very impressive trader tools, as we can see here. Users can access features from auto chartists, MyFXbook copy trading. They also have economic calendars, Forex calculators, a Tickmill VPS service, and one-click trading solutions. So as we can see here with auto chartists, this is a package that can be downloaded on the MT4 platform to give users the ability to use auto chartists to identify chart patterns in key price levels. The auto chartist feature allows users to scan for opportunities intraday, set trade alerts, have a look at forecasted ranges on completed chart patterns, use customizable searches, and there's a lot of trading materials as well. The broker also provides a good range of education and research materials, webinars, seminars, ebooks, video tutorials, as well as a blog covering fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and market insights. As we can see here, a wide list of different webinars available for users to view, as well as looking at previous webinars on their YouTube channel. There's also a list of different seminars that are available to attend to, and you can also see some of the previous seminars that have taken place. And the broker also provides a lot of video tutorials here in a comprehensive educational series in multiple different languages. And there's also a Forex blog where the Tickmill experts, as you can see on the right hand side, share their fundamental analysis and technical analysis of different markets. So we can see here charts of the day. We can also see here daily market outlook, as well as different news articles and market insights. So very useful information for traders, lots of research and lots of detail here available for both beginner and advanced traders. The broker also provides a contact us page via a get in touch contact form, as well as different phone numbers and client support and addresses depending on which regulation you're using. We can also use the live chat function here at the bottom right, and we'll ask a question and test the customer support. So as we can see here, lots of different languages available for traders to speak to a live support agent. So after 3 minutes, we've been finally connected to an agent, and after speaking to a customer support agent, just asking if they offer demo trading accounts, they provided the details that we needed. So around 2 to 3 minutes time there to connect to a live support agent, but they're there, available, and provide decent information. Now let's have a look at the Metatrader 4 trading platform provided by Tickmill. So here we have the Metatrader 4 trading platform provided by Tickmill. On the left hand side, we can see there's a list of different markets available to trade in. Right now you can see the euro dollar spread there around 3 pips, with a pound against US dollar spread around 2 pips. We can look at all the different markets available to trade with by looking at the market watch window, right clicking and selecting symbols, which will open up a list of different assets available to trade with via the broker. So we've got a wide variety of different currencies, CFD markets such as indices, as well as treasuries and bonds as well. You can also just right click and click show all, and this has all the available to symbols to trade with via Tickmill. We can see here at the top, we can change timeframes from 1 minute charts to monthly charts. And right now we're just on a 1 hour chart on the euro dollar here on the left hand side. We can add different indicators by looking at the insert indicators option, looking at Bollinger Bands, moving averages, as well as popular oscillators like MACD. To place a trade, there's several different ways. Users can use the one-click trading feature by clicking buy or sell. And if you click that for the first time, it will put up a disclaimer. And if you're happy with the disclaimer after reading it, you can accept the terms and conditions. And if we click on buy, you can see there's a buy order there, a buy trade actually, that has been entered live at the market. You can see that at the bottom here. You'll see there's no stop loss or take profit attached. So what you can do is left click on the entry level, which is shown on the chart, and just drag it down to put a stop loss. Left click and hold down and drag it up to put a take profit, and now those fields have been populated. So great functionality trading from the chart. We can also just close the trade by right clicking and clicking on close order. Okay, users can also short the market as well by clicking sell, or you can also click on the new order option and select different order types such as limit and stop orders. Or you can just simply click the sell button, and that's now entered into a short trade. And users can right click here and modify the order and actually add in a stop loss and take profit at this point as well. Okay, so a variety of different options, also market execution to close this. There's also some other features here at the bottom, such as looking at your account history, news, as well as accessing signals as well as the Metatrader marketplace for programming services for algorithmic trading. So very useful platform, simple to use. Now let's have a look at the Metatrader mobile trading app provided by Tickmill. So here we have the Metatrader 4 mobile trading app provided by Tickmill. As we can see here on the home screen, we have the ability to look at quotes, charts, trading activity, news, and an economic calendar. If we look at the quote window here in the back, we can actually see a list of different markets. Right now the spread there, 1.6 pips on euro dollar, 1.9 pips, 1.8 pips on Aussie against the US dollar. To add different markets to this quote window, we can simply click the pencil icon at the top, click the plus button, and here's a list of different markets available that we can add to the watch list, covering foreign exchange markets, index CFDs, oils, treasuries, and metals. If we go back to one of these symbols, we can actually select Euro US dollar, and now we have the ability to open a new order or open a chart. If we click open chart, this presents us a chart of euro against US dollar. We can change the time frame by clicking the clock icon here at the top and selecting between 1 minute charts all the way up to monthly charts. We can also select the S icon and change the symbol, and we can also select the F icon if we want to add in different trading indicators such as Bollinger Bands, Ichimoku clouds, moving averages, and many others. If we go back, we can actually trade directly from this chart by clicking the plus icon here at the top right, and we have different options such as market execution, and we can simply click buy at market. Okay, now this trade has been opened, and as we can see here, there's no stop loss or take profit. So to add one on, we can just hold down on this trade. We can select modify order, and then we can add in a take profit, and we can also add in a stop loss as well. And when we click modify, that will have updated that live trade, and we can see that by clicking on this, and you can see the stop loss and take profit fields have been populated. To close this, we can simply select this and press close order and close with a profit in this instance. So if we go back to the chart, we can also click the plus icon and we can select different types of orders, limit orders and buy stop orders. We can also still select market execution. This time we can actually put a stop loss and take profit on the order. So when it does get triggered live, a stop loss and take profit is already attached to it. So now we can see that's entered us into a live short trade or sell trade with a stop loss and take profit attached, which was so close to the market, it actually just took us out now. So very simple to use mobile trading app provided by Tickmill. And that wraps up this FX Empire review. We hope you found it to be of value and wish you all the best in your trading.